Okay, so now we're going to put the lifters back in, and I've got one that's loose here. Let's see if I can hold this one in. And you can see our lifters are being held in with the magnets still, and I need to flip this around. Okay. That guy off. Take your magnets off. Okay. Next we're going to put the camshaft back in. Okay, so now I've put the caps back on. It goes E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E7. And what I'm going to do here, I don't have the special BMW tool that you use to put tension on all of these caps at once and press them down and then put the nuts on. So what I do, it may seem a little weird, but it works. I haven't had any trouble with it yet. Is I turn the cam so that this lobe is just about ready to hit the lifter, and I have just enough thread here to put a couple of nuts on. And what I'm going to do is tighten down here and then turn the cam. So anywhere I have some thread, I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit of the nuts on here. So anywhere I have a thread, I want to go ahead and just put a nut on there. I'm not tightening it down. I'm just sticking it on there. And then this is the main one that I want to get to, though. Okay, looks like that's going to work. Let's see, a little bit of threads here. I can only get one. It's okay. So at E4, we'll start to tighten it down. And it's just a quarter turn on each and alternate. And as it goes down, you'll see some threads start to pop up here and there, and that's when you want to go ahead and stick a nut on. Okay, threads here now. Just keep alternating. Okay, I don't have anything there yet. Go ahead. I'm not tightening these, I'm just running them up to the cap. Alright. Good. I think I can get a nut on E6 now. Okay. Quarter turn. And then I can get the nuts on the very last one here, which is pressing down on the lifter completely. So as I finish this one off, I want to keep all the other ones right behind it, you know, snug. Okay, now that I've got this one started, I'm going to go ahead and come down here and start doing the quarter turns, and that's going to press this lifter down, and just a quarter turn, quarter turn, quarter turn, and then go through the other ones with your fingers. Make sure everything's keeping up. Quarter turn, quarter turn. And just keep doing that over and over and over. Okay. Quarter turn. And I can see that is almost finished. I'm going to go back over here to E4. Here, we're just about there. I can actually see the difference now in the gap here, so I'm just going to eyeball it. Okay, so this one is snug on E7. I'm going to snug down E4 and then just tighten the rest to 10 foot-pounds is the specs on this according to the Bentley manual. Alright. So we'll set the torque wrench to 10 pounds. Should be about right there. I think that's right. Okay, there's 10. Okay, so that's your camshaft installed for the intake side. The exhaust side's the exact same way.